Okay guys, so today we have iPhone XR and the problem is this one is doesn't work. It's not working perfectly. Yes, so we have to get this one fixed because once I plug the power, it's gonna jump. It has a shortage. I'm right. It's supposed to have a shortage and with the demands. I already removed the shield. Right, so I already removed the shield by using just my cutter. So I already cut it everything. Yes, and I already did what I'm supposed to do. So now because this area is getting hot, so I'm just gonna plug it guys, and then so you will see what is going on. Right, so as soon as I plug it guys, you can look at my power supply to see what happened. So this for iPhone 16. So as soon as I plug the current, the booting current cable, you see it's leaking already all the way over there. It's leaking a lot, so it's getting hot, and this area is getting hot, that area right there. So I'm just gonna use my thermal camera and go from there. Okay, so we already plugged the power, and I'm gonna use, okay, so I'm just gonna boot this up and to see where it's getting hot. Right, so I'm gonna add some voltage, 1.5 volt, while we are taking over here to see where it's getting hot. You see that IC? Yes, that's the problem right here. So this IC is getting hot. See right here? Off. Yep. Off. On. See? That is our problem right here. So let's make it get closer. Okay. So this is exactly our problem. Turn off. Turn on. You see? Okay, this is our problem right here. So we're gonna fix it real quick and go from there. All right guys, so now we'll remove our charger, charging IC, and we already clean it. And yes, so there was the problem that's cracked it. So we are doing some progress so far, and we're almost getting it done. So all right guys, it's already flat, everything is just perfectly done. All right guys, so now we already rebuilt our IC. So everything is perfect, it's even, it's aligned. So the next step is to just put the IC to the motherboard, and yeah, that's what we need to do right now. So we're gonna plug it, and then we're gonna check if everything is gonna work again or it's not gonna work. We will go from there. So let's wait for a few seconds, and we're gonna plug it guys, and then I'm gonna let you know. It's about to boot. We'll see if hopefully it's gonna work. It's booting actually, that's great thing. So we'll see. And now Apple logo is coming. This is showing that the phone is Apple logo is booting, is doing very good. So actually we fixed the problem and we did a great job. So yeah, congratulations to me. Even though I didn't put the screen, I know for sure, I actually know for sure if I put this screen, you're supposed to see Apple logo. So let's make sure it's supposed to be working very good. I just plug everything, and now we are having Apple logo. So we are doing very good actually. Everything is perfect, everything is done. Apple logo is coming, and the customer will be so happy. Right, that was my dream. Yep, information for the customer. So it seems like it's yeah, everything is done. So yeah, we are done. It this couple right here, we perfectly fixed the iPhone, and congratulations to me. Even the service supposed to work, the service is working already. So I'm pretty sure it's not looking like the service is working, which is a bad sign, but I think if I put everything together, it's supposed to work. So yeah, we will see. Yes, it looks like the service is gonna work. Yes, it's not moving anymore, so it's a good sign.